Hello everyone, my name is Hussain Kabrawala. My topic is failure of rigid pavement. In this video, we can learn what is pavement, what is rigid pavement, and types of failure. What is rigid pavement? It is also defined as a structure which separates the type of vehicle for the underlying foundation. Pavement is the upper part of a roadway, airport, or parking area structure. It includes all layers resting on the original ground. Classification of pavement. Classification by function: airport pavement, highway, freeway pavement, parking and streetway pavement. Classification by structure: rigid pavement, flexible pavement, composite pavement, and general pavement. We can learn what is rigid pavement. A rigid pavement is a type of a road construction that uses a concrete slab as a structure layer, known for its high strength, durability, and ability to distribute the load by slab action. Types of failure: seepage cracking, linear cracking, joint spalming, durable cracking, plumbing, and faulting. Faulting. Description: difference in elevation across a joint or crack. Issue: plumbing, settlement, or poor load transfers. Effect: rough riding and potential structure issue. Seepage cracking. Description: seepage due to volume reduce has concrete and hardness. Cause: rapid moisture loss, high water content ratio. Effect: may load long term durability issue is not settled. Linear cracking. Description: long straight cracks that may follow traffic direction or reinforcement. Causes: poor construction joint, slab grade movement, or thermal stress. Effect: can expand over time and allow water infiltration. Joint spalming. Breaking or shifting of concrete at joint. Causes: in joint construction, infiltration of water or poor load transfer. Effect: decrease pavement life and ride quickly. Plumbing. Description: elevation of water and fine material through joint and cracking under traffic load. Causes: presence of water and poor base, subgrade, and support. Effect: load to loss of support and process pavement failure. Thank you for watching this video.